You ever feel like you're drowning in noise, but still hearing nothing that helps? You scroll, you swipe, you watch, but somehow you feel more lost than before. It's not that you're lazy. It's not that you're weak. You're just overwhelmed. Every day you wake up and reach for your phone. Before your feet touch the ground, you're already inside someone else's life. You see wins, success, perfect routines, perfect bodies, perfect mornings, and suddenly your own life feels behind, incomplete. So you keep scrolling, hoping for motivation, hoping to feel inspired, but instead you feel smaller, more tired. That's not by accident. Social media is built to hook your brain, to trigger a little reward, then another and another. It floods you with dopamine, but leaves you empty. You feel pressure to do more, be more, achieve more. But all you've done is sit still and consume, and that creates a loop. Scroll, compare, feel anxious, lose energy, scroll again. It's not just a habit, it's a trap. We compare our behind the scenes with everyone else's highlight reel. You're not seeing real life. You're seeing edited, filtered, curated moments. But your brain doesn't care. It believes it. So now, your progress feels slow. Your life feels boring. Even your rest feels like wasted time. But the truth is, you're not behind. You're just overwhelmed. And no one's life is perfect. Not even the ones you admire most. They struggle too, they just don't post it. First, take a break. Put the phone down, even for 5 minutes. Breathe. Listen. Look around. You're still here. You still matter. Second, simplify. Make one small list, one small task. Do it. Not because it's big, but because it's real. Discipline isn't about doing more. It's about doing less. With consistency. Third, reconnect. Touch paper. Go for a walk. Talk face to face. Remind your brain what real life feels like. You don't need more input. You need more stillness. You don't need more advice. You need more action. Your mind is not broken. It's just overstimulated. And the solution isn't to consume more. It's to return to yourself. Peace doesn't come from a new video. It comes from the moment you stop chasing and start being. You're not lazy. You're not failing. You're not broken. You're just overwhelmed by a world that never stops talking. And that's why your power is in learning to pause, to listen to yourself again, and to remember this: you're not behind. You're already on your way back.